We are back for the featured app segment here on A Shot of Business Central and a Beer. And as I alluded to earlier, we've got kind of an app that was probably the easiest app that I have ever had to install. It works pretty easily, and it's a pretty simple idea that works well. It's Use Dynamics app. So it's basically an easy access to video user guides for Business Central. Uh, I guess the first question most people have is who or what is Use Dynamics? And Use Dynamics it's basically a learning portal that has all videos on it. That when you're on a page in Business Central, let's say you're on sales quotes, and you want to learn something about sales quotes, you get stumped on something, you go into the ribbon, you click Use Dynamics, it opens up a new page in your browser with sales quotes videos.
It always opens sales quotes videos.
So far, when I tried it, it did.
If you're on the sales quotes page.
Right. You got to be on that page.
Whatever page you're on, it'll open help specific to that topic, right?
And it's not on every page. We don't know how many pages it's on, but it's on pretty much the most common basic pages, I would say. Yeah. So it's free. Like I said, the install was as simple as can be. I found it funny because Use Dynamics actually isn't, from what I can see, a like Business Central partner, or they don't really support or anything like that. They're funded by a company called Abakion, maybe AS, out of Copenhagen, Denmark. So a little bit different on that standpoint, but like I said, it's pretty nice, and I'm shocked that Microsoft hasn't created something like this to where each page will link to something on the Microsoft Learn portal.
Yeah. So there is. So if you go into help, right? So if, let's say you're on a page. Let's say I'm working on blanket sales orders.
Okay.
So if I'm on the blanket sales order page, and I go up and I hit the question mark up on the top right corner, and I go into help and support. On the first line, it says learn more about your current task or page. And there's a link that says blanket sales orders. When I click on it, it takes me to docs.microsoft.com, right to the page that says work with blanket sales orders or blanket purchase orders.
Yeah, so it's taking you to the web page. Okay.
Correct.
Yep. I did not know that.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
So where I think this comes in is if you feel like that isn't getting the job done for you, right? The Use Dynamics adds more video-based training and another option for learning and understanding what's out there.
Yeah, I mean, from what I've seen from it so far, I wouldn't be hesitant to recommend it. Like I said, it's really easy to install, and it can't hurt. The more information you get. It's
free. It doesn't seem to be hurting anything.
Yeah.
Just shows up as an option on the ribbon of the page.
Now, I did notice that option is sometimes in different places on different pages, which I guess is understandable if it's not.
Yeah, those ribbons aren't really consistent.
Exactly.
Across all the pages.
But we'll link to it in the show notes, and maybe give it a shout out and let us know. So
yeah, I liked it. I think any opportunity that you have to add more help options for end users, the better.
Yeah.
So it's definitely worth checking out, I think.
I agree.
So